morning, guys. I just woke up. It is Friday morning, around 9 a.m. Our breakfast has been delivered. Let's see it. So, fruit, muffins, and yogurt. We also have the oatmeal if we want, but I don't know. That might be enough. Because we still have leftover dinner from last night that we are going to eat later on, too. So.
It's apple cinnamon.
Apple cinnamon? Mm-hmm. Cool. I woke up to the birds chirping, crows crowing, which we have figured out that that screaming one had to have been a raven, because the crows here have like a completely different sound, and the people that own this place told us that they were crows. So, and we heard a loon once, but other than that, we're just having a later start today. So yeah, let's eat. Okay guys, it's the next morning. I think I already said that when I was showing you breakfast. So this is our cabin. Hey look, they have a star too. The star.
Oh yeah.
So this is the outside of the cabin here. I'll show you the other side in a minute. It's in more of a neighborhood. There's other houses around. And this is the back canoe. It's a wood pile. They must have a fireplace. And we've got, oh, I hear the loon. So I don't know if you guys can hear the loon, but there is a loon right now on the lake somewhere that we're hearing periodically. Also, I don't know if it comes up on video, but there's like a little island of trees there, and then there's one over there, and then there's also a little one over there. So they're all there, and then there's rocks in there as well. As you can see, there's train tracks, so a train goes by twice a day. We saw it go by this morning. So it goes by once in the morning and once in the evening. And then these are the little steps that lead down so we can go to the waterfront, which I think we're about to try. I've just doused myself in more bug repellent because the mosquitoes seem to love me, and mind you, I haven't seen as many mosquitoes around here as there were at the last place, because I got eaten alive at the last place even with bug repellent. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have about 7 mosquito bites right now, maybe 8. And they are itching like crazy. It's driving me nuts. Alex is taking some pictures. So we're just hanging out here for the morning. I'm hoping the rain holds off for the places that we're traveling to. We're going to have some lunch here. We brought leftover dinner home to have for lunch before we head out. So yeah, we'll check it in a little while. So this is, okay, so these like dodgy things, they just creak and move. But at the bottom of the steps is literally just the water. So it's not really a beach, it's just a lake. But it's pretty, there's flowers on each side. Some bumblebees enjoying the flowers. I'm gonna go over here and see what this dock thing is. It was somewhere in those flowers there.
Here?
Yeah. It was buzzing around there. I don't know if it's still there. And don't worry guys, we don't have to worry about the train. It only goes by once in the morning, which it already has, and then once at night. So, okay. So this is supposed to be like a dock where a canoe is. But we don't really want to use a canoe. But I'm going to go and just see what's there. So that's the dock.
That's the dock, yeah.
That's the dock. So that's where you can stand. There's some rocks out in the distance. It's very pretty. And a crow is going off again. I'd like to hear a loon again to see if we could get that on film. Let the games begin. Baby, let the games begin. Let the games begin. Let the games begin. Are you ready for it? Place called Tangled Garden, and we're just starting the tour, and Alex has found a gong. That's pretty. So we are now just entering a labyrinth made out of flowers. So it's not your typical labyrinth where the walls are high. It's just all with flowers. There's this really cool tree in the middle. And it is raining, but not too bad. It's just like light rain, so...
Alone.
And we're all by ourselves here. And, at least tomorrow the weather is looking like it's supposed to be better, which is great because tomorrow we're going to go whale watching. I'm so excited.
Yeah, I think they're all the same flowers.
Yeah, pretty much. It smells so nice in here. You can smell all the flowers right here. What? Over here? What? It doesn't smell?
Smell it?
No.
Look at them. I don't even need that bug anymore. It's not raining.
It's not?
Oh, it's like spitting.
We're about to try Rose Petal Ice Cream. I'm gonna have the first taste here. How is it?
Tastes like how it smells.
Okay. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Oh, okay.
It's weird.
Okay. We're at the Bay of Fundy at low tide. So as you can see, the tide has gone up so much that the boats are literally sitting on the ocean floor. Well, not really ocean here, it's a harbor floor. I'm guessing the water goes up to where the color changes on the fence.
Yeah.
That's where it usually would go up to. See where it's like brown and then it turns to the drier wood? So usually the water goes up to there in high tide. There's a little waterfall over here. Oh, that's so crazy. Look at all the boats over there. Look at that. That is so cool. There's a bunch of rocks. There's another boat. It looks like you can go over there. We should go on the other side too. People are standing on the rocks. Holy crap, look at that. So there's the water up there. Holy moly. Oh, look at all the moss on the rocks. I don't know. Did you want to go and read those signs over there? There's like some information signs. So even all of this usually is full of water because obviously like this only goes to here and the other water goes all the way back there. So this would usually be filled with water. That's crazy. Look at those rocks over there. And then you can even see down here, there's moss that would be on the floor of the water. So here's a good example. This is it before when it's filled with water. And there it is after. The same boats. Well, here's the other side. Some rocks. We're in a gift shop and they have live lobster to buy. Look at this one. Look how big its claws are. This thing is massive. And there's another one there.
for 3 kilometers.
So we are now gonna go to Peggy's Cove. It's a 2-hour drive. But this is our only chance because tomorrow is gonna be a full day of driving and whale watching. And I've discovered 2 mosquito bites. I had one here, and I believe this is one here. This may be a pimple, but I don't think it is. This one's definitely a mosquito bite. The mosquitoes love me. And I remember, like, when I was a kid, I went to camp and I came back eaten alive by mosquitoes and black flies, but mostly mosquitoes. I don't know why they like me. I've put bug repellent on and they still don't. Maybe I should be putting it on my face, because it said you can put it on your face if you spray it on your hands and then just rub it. But even still, I got bit on my arms and my legs. Mind you, I haven't been putting it on those parts of my legs, but even my arms where I sprayed, I still got bit.
Peggy's Point Road.
We are almost at Peggy's Cove. You can already see a lot of rocks around here. And I can see the lighthouse in the distance. There's a church up there. One thing I've noticed in PEI and Nova Scotia is there's a lot of old churches. What about, there's a restaurant there. That's their parking for the restaurant. Holy cow, that's so cool.
We'll pack it.
we are in a restaurant right now to get some dinner. It's right at Peggy's Cove. There's a view out there. I was just looking at the placemat. So the year-round population of Peggy's Cove currently numbers about 35 people. That's crazy. Also, apparently in '98, there was a plane crash, and there was 2 sites created as a memorial. One apparently is across the road from this place, although I'm not sure which side.
Looks good. Wow.
It's so dark. I don't think it's going to show up. Oh, it's coming this way. Yeah, it's too dark to see it. There goes the train. It's too dark. Can't see it. I was looking the wrong way. I thought it was coming from this way. Or the other way. I knew it was coming. Like, I could hear something in the distance. Cool. Oh. It's loud. There it goes. So we're now back at the cabin for the evening. Anyways, despite the rain, we enjoyed our day. We saw some cool things, namely the Bay of Fundy and Peggy's Cove were really cool. Tangled Garden was nice. I was kind of hoping to see more flowers there than there were, but I think they had a late start to the summer just like we did, so maybe it wasn't in full bloom yet. But the Rose Petal Ice Cream was really good. I wasn't sure what it would taste like, but it literally, like, the first bite tastes just like a rose smells. But then after a while, like, it kind of went away, the taste. Not went away, but it wasn't as strong. But it was really good. So we enjoyed that. Anyways, I think I'm going to end the video here because I think there's only been one night so far this week that I've actually ended a vlog, because I just always forget once we're back in the hotel. Did I just see a mosquito fly by? By the way, I've discovered a crap ton more mosquito bites all over my ankles and one on my scalp. So, yeah. And you have, like, none. Except weren't you saying your head was itching though? Did you get one on your head?
I don't think so, no.
He didn't get anything. What the hell? Anyways, so thanks so much for watching today's video. Tomorrow we're going whale watching, so I'll try to get some video of that, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll see whales. There's also supposed to be dolphins, and like various seabirds, like puffins. I think also there's a chance of seeing seals. So it'll be really cool because I've always wanted to be able to see, you know, seals, dolphins, whales in their natural habitat, not just like at an aquarium. So, or a zoo or whatever. So I'm excited about that. So hopefully the weather, so far it's saying it's going to be sunny and no rain. So let's hope that holds true. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. You want to say bye?
No.